Okay, so if you go to day 4, if you click links, okay, so there it will take you to the all the Excel sheet. Okay, here are the test cases. Okay, test case 1, test case 2 for the new customer, for the edit customer. Okay, so I'm going to ask you another question. So I'm asking like write a test cases for pen. Okay, suppose they will ask you in the same call. I'll ask the same question to the chat GPT. Okay, see for I'm just talking about a pen. Okay, see for pen, basic functionality is verify that pen writes smoothly on a paper when the ink is present. This is one test case. Ensure that the pen stop writing when the ink is depleted. Okay, then the other testing is ink quality. Test different ink colors, example black, blue, red, constancy in okay, verify that the ink dries quickly to prevent the smuggling. Okay, smuggling. Okay, another one is check the grip of the pen. Okay, durability, reflect mechanism. So here are the test cases. Test case 1, verify basic writing functionality. Test case 2, verify ink okay, the third one is verify ink quality. Fourth one is verify this, verify durability, verify refill mechanism. See, these are the test cases for the pen. You clear, guys? The same way,
Yes.
you need to write a test cases for the bank application. You have SRS application, so we have a module called new customer, edit customer, new account, edit account. So everything we have. See, verify customer ID. Customer ID cannot be empty. Customer ID must be a numeric. Okay. So what are your test steps? Okay. Do not enter a value in the customer field. Press tab, remove, move into the next field. Either you can tab or go to the next step. So what is the expected output? An error message, customer ID must not be a blank. So if you are not going to enter anything, and if you try to enter click, okay, or enter key, then user should get a error message. That is the expected output. So this is the test case number, test scenario, test case, test steps, test data, expected result, actual result, pass or fail. So right now we are not doing any pass or fail because we are not judging, right? Because we are just validating now. Okay, you have your template should be like this. So whenever somebody asks you, can you write a test cases per pen? So now you need to create a template. Okay, the test case number, test scenario, test case, test steps, test data, expected result, actual result, pass or fail. So this is your template. You have to be very clear with this template. Okay. So what is your test scenario? Verify customer ID is my scenario. Okay. How many test cases for customer ID? Customer cannot be empty. Customer ID must be numeric. Customer cannot have a special characters. Customer cannot have a blank spaces. First character cannot be space. Okay, these all are for verify customer ID. See, these are the steps. These are the some test data. Okay, so like how test data. Enter special characters. Enter special characters in the customer ID, so that you will get a error message. Clear, guys? So these all are test cases. Okay, everybody has to understand these test cases how to write. Okay, and also you need to write in your own way of test case design as well. No, should it's not a you need to follow the similar pattern. You can follow your own pattern also. Okay, so there is no harm. So this is the test case writing, guys. In everybody clear?
Yes.
Okay, so here these people written directly for a high level, but in many statement you can write. Okay, here verify account number for manager. Okay, the another use case verify account number for customer. So you can write your own way. See, right now, how do I know the verify account number? Verify account number is only for customer or manager. So we don't have a much clarification. So you can write in your own way. One test case for manager, one customer, one account, one other scenario for customer. That way you can differentiate. Okay. Or else write all manager in one Excel sheet, all customer in another Excel sheet, so that you won't get any issues. Clear, guys?
Okay.
So that is the day 4. Okay, now you have test cases. So if you don't know how the test plan, click here. Okay. So this is the overall scenario, the plan. The first one is new customer. Check new customer is created. Okay. So verify customer is not added twice. Okay. Next, edit customer. Check customer can be edited. New account. Check a new account is added or not. So this is like a high level flow. We are not verifying field by field. Just we are doing an integration. Okay. First, new account should be created. After that, we can able to edit the customer. So once the customer account is ready, then we need to create a account for new account. Then we can able to edit the account. After that, once I create account, I can able to delete an account. Then same time I can delete a customer. Then once I have a customer, then I can go for a mini statement and customer statement. So this is just like a one flow, merging all the modules. Okay. So you need to be think in a different ways. Okay. I mean, should not follow the same template, but you can follow the different way. But this is the standard template. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So try to understand from document and requirement side. Whatever we see requirements, everything will be captured in the test cases. So that's why we'll get to know how much is the requirement traceability we did. So for every requirement, we should have a test case. Okay. So then if you guys are clear with that, then we can go to the application. Then I can show you how to validate based on the test cases. Okay, guys. So how many people joined today? Let me see. Who are joined? Chinna joined. Lokesh. Who is he? Lokesh? May I know who is this? Guys, can you hear me?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Lokesh.
Yeah, it's me because
Okay,
actually
okay,
there is some
okay.
problem with my laptop.
Okay, no problem. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And I thought maybe somebody
Uh,
joined. Okay, yeah. So this is the high level, guys. Okay. So now today I want to give you one overview. So once you write the test cases and everything, so tomorrow Anu will take you to the application. Okay. So I will show you the something. Anu, so this is the application, Anu. Okay. If Anu, you are there.
Yes, Satya.
Okay. So this is your application here. Okay. Enter your email ID. If you go application, so this is your Guru 99 application. So this is the application, guys. How the banking application. See, default it will be user ID and password and login button. So if you don't know access, you go to here, visit here. Okay, click, enter your email ID. See, I'm giving you Satya @HNSSglobal.com. Okay, see, this is my user ID and this is my password. Always try to copy this. This is for manager. Okay. I'm just trying to copy these credentials here. So you guys also will get the same credential like me. Okay. Now what I need to do, go to the day 6 here. Okay. Enter your user ID and your password is this one. So this is for bank application login. So click on login. See, once you log in, the developers are already developed our application. See, manager, new customer. edit customer. See how the operations are coming here. Edit customer, delete customer. So let me add one new customer. Okay, I'm going to add H&SS Global. Okay, so suppose H&SS Global. Okay, date of birth is, I'm just giving some temporary. Let me put some date. So try to find out the bugs. Okay, I'm just giving one date of birth. Okay, address. I'm just giving something. Okay, pin. Can give. Characters are not allowed. See, pin number should be numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Please fill the fields where it is. See, customer name, custom numbers are not allowed. But I don't have any numbers in this. So it's a defect, right? I haven't, I don't have any numbers in this. But it's saying that numbers are not allowed. It's a defect. Create defect for customer name. Clear, guys? So this is the application. Whatever you are writing, this is the customer name. Numbers are not allowed. I'm not putting any numbers. Yeah. See, there is an issue with the application error. So you need to report this bug. Let me go to the V2. So now everybody clear how the requirements will be. Okay, for each module, how it will looks like in the UI side. So you guys explore each and every module of this application and try to explore all this and try to create test cases with respect to the application. Okay, the customer name. Suppose a new customer, how the test cases will be. So if you go to your test cases, where is your test cases? See for the new account example, or for the new customer, see verify name field. See for the new customer, customer name, gender, date of birth, right? So in the test cases also they're talking about verify name field, verify address field, verify city field, verify state field, verify PIN number, verify telephone. See whatever you're seeing, everything they have written the test cases for all the field because this is a form for the new customer. So I need to validate each and every piece of this form. Clear, guys? So again, I'm recapping once again. Okay, so for once you have a test cases in the day 4, click test cases for here. Okay, so they have written all the test cases. If you know how to write test cases, you can write it your own way. So if you want to use the reference document, use this reference for test cases. So test case writing is very, very easy, guys. It's very easy. You should know some communication skills. If you don't know how to write test cases, you can use the chat GPT. Okay, see, write test cases for new customer for bank form. So you no need to write everything. So you see in the for form, see verify the form elements. Open the new customer form, verify the presence of all the requirements or elements is including first name, last name, date of birth, address, email, phone number, extra. Expected result. All the required form elements are present and labels are correct. Okay, that's it. One test case is done. Verify field validations. Attempt to submit the form without entering any data. Okay, attempt to submit the form with a valid data each field. Example, invalid email format, invalid phone number format. Okay, expected error message should display. Okay, see verify date of birth validations. Enter a date of birth make the customer under 18 years old. Okay, attempt to submit the form. Expected an error message should display indicate that customer must have at least 18 years. So here you can do the some boundary values. Okay, so what is the boundary value for 18 years? So so that from today to minus 18 years, you should go back. So then only those dates should allow in the system. We should not allow after dates. Okay, that is the boundaries. After that, verify address autocomplete, verify form submissions, verify confirmation email. If in case if the user is asking, once a user is created through email, should have an option to validate from email as well. Verify form, verify accessibility. So just they have given all number of, okay, I'm just asking, write test cases for, okay, I'm going to take something, see, you can write in detail test cases also. For the name field, see, verify field presence or not. Verify field label is coming or not. See, verify the field type, what type of it is it, whether it's an input type with checkbox, okay, and how much length of the, so how many characters can be allowed in the name. Verify field acceptancy, verify field rejection, verify, okay, clear functionality. If I click on clear button, whether the data is going or not. Verify field auto capitalization. Verify field accessibility. So you can do another way. Once you write these test cases, copy this, paste it for the next items. Just change instead of name, you can write address field, but don't do copy paste. Try to write your own so that you never forget how to write test cases, guys. Okay, never do copy paste. So because you are a learner, so try to write as much as possible. Looks like it's very simple, but while it comes to interview, while they ask you to create some test cases, they will give you one assignment. Okay, I'm giving you some application, so they will give you one web application. So can you write a test cases for user login and password? Okay, see, write a test cases. I'm just asking, write a test case for user login and logout page. Verify page elements are available or not. Okay, see steps. Open the page, login page, verify the presence of all the required elements such as username and password, login button, forgot, and registration link. Expected all required elements should be presented. Test case 2, verify successful login. Test case 3, verify invalid credential. Test case 4, verify forgot password. Verify registration link. Verify a remote me functionality. Okay, so like this is the user logout. Verify logout functionality. Verify session timeout. Verify user redirect after logout. Verify user unauthorized access after logout. See, these are the test cases for login. So you have to be very clear what requirement they're asking. So now you need to create a template. While okay, let me share my screen and I will show you. So you need to create a serial number, test scenario, test case, test steps. Okay, everything you need to record. Clear, guys? Then only you need to write all the possible scenarios. Okay, let me write. This is the test case for verify page elements, verify successful login, verify invalid credential. You need to write each and every piece. Okay, so try to understand this one because it's very, very important, guys. Okay, Suma, how many minutes we have till?
6 minutes.
Sorry?
6 minutes, Satya.
Yeah. So guys, you can rejoin the call again. So now I'm going to talk very important class today. How to build your resume. Okay. Suppose so I want from Monday, so we can start our marketing as well parallelly because no, I don't want to waste some more time. So from Monday, everybody should ready with your resume so that I will tell you how to build your resume. If I posted some requirement, So don't try to put your resume that, okay, Satya, here is my resume, submit. So never do that. If you do that, your profile never selected in anywhere, because don't be generic resume. Okay. You have to be very clear with your resume based on the JD. How to prepare your resume is very, very important now. Okay. So after Suma, you can so everybody can rejoin the call. I'm going to stop now, so we can join back, and I'll take you to the how to update your resume. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. There, right? Yeah. Okay, so guys, the problem of your resume is because of your mistakes. Okay, he don't know how to fulfill. Okay, suppose example. Okay, suppose I'm not talking about I did a movie. Okay, just everything is completed. It's a super movie. I have very good story. But do you think if I'm not going to do any promotional or any kind of trailer or anything, do you think people will come and watch my movie? Anybody?
No.
Why? You did very good, no? Because you are very good movie, you have very good script, lot of characters are there, so many things are there. But do you think people will come and watch? What you
No,
need
no.
to do?
We need to promote it so that our movie can get the attention of people.
Yeah. So, but you did. But what level of advertisement you need? So, how much you are going to project your movie? The same way you are going to attract many people, right? If you are not doing any advertisement or anything, nobody will come and watch your movie. Why should I do? Because there are other movies that people are doing. But why should I watch your movie? But see, I can't buy a ticket and I don't want to take risk, right? Whether the movie is good or not inside, I can't do based on your trailer, based on your movie, whatever you're going to launch in the beginning. I want to see those first. Once I'm happy, then only I can go inside, right? So your best impression is you have to highlight your showcase your skills. So your resume should be very unique, not by everybody. You have to be very clear. So this is what my resume. See my trailer. So in my trailer, I have everything about my requirements. Okay, this is what my resume. This is what my branded resume. Okay, my resume is very unique, not like others. So you should be project your resume in a proper way. Same like movie trailer. Okay, suppose in the movie trailer, if I see lot of VFX, they're putting lot of suspense in the trailer for 3 minutes video. Definitely, I want to watch movie because I see the VFX is very good. I see all the characters who is going to present in that movie, but I don't know in depth of the characters. But at least I can see what's going on in the trailer, and also I can see what narrating the story. So what suspense they have, what is the break points, and what are the main object of the movie. So everything they're going to put it in the 3 minutes trailer. Do you think 3 minutes trailer will talk the entire movie? No, but these 3 minutes will give you the complete picture of the movie. Correct me if I'm wrong, right? If I'm not going to do any promotional advertisement, then nobody will come and watch my movie if I'm not going to release any trailer. So your resume is your trailer, guys. How much you're going to put your trailer in your content, then only the people come and watch. And they will take your profile in a first category. Otherwise, they will consider that, okay, see, everybody is sending the same resume, and your resume also will talk the same matter, same template, same boring matter inside. Why should I watch? Why should I consider your resume? Because now the people are not doing the evaluation, the complete evaluation done by ATS tool. Okay, that is like a automated tool. So they will check some keywords, and the same keywords are matching in your resume, they will pick up. If it is not there, whether you are a 100% strong guy, doesn't matter. But the ATS tool will reject those resumes, and whichever key skills are matching more than 70%, those will consider as a next level of interview. Then the recruiters will call those people. Why should they waste their time? For one application, if I got 200 resumes, do you think the whole day I want to open and see each and every resume? Is it possible for me? You are also one of the queue. Why should I take your profile? Right, guys? So how our trailer movie, the same way your resume should talk very high level, okay, and very generic, very straightforward to the customer. So the minute customer review your resume, then he should be impressive. Okay, see, whatever I'm looking, this candidate has the same skill set. Why can't I go? Why should I skip this profile? Let me talk. Let me see what's going on in this resume. So that is what they should get a impression. So that they never call other people. They should call you because your profile should match 100%, not like other person. So right now the profiles, 99% profiles are rejecting because of.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sorry, sorry, Satya.
Yeah. Tell me, Chena. You're not clear.
I'm sorry. I got a call. Sorry.
Okay, okay, okay. So 99% people resumes are rejecting, guys, because of lack of information in the resume. Okay, I'm asking something. Suppose you gone to the restaurant, you're asking some order. Okay, I need some pizza. Okay, I needed some chicken pizza, but the people brought something else. Do you think you like the restaurant and next time you'll go? Because I requested, but if you give on top of more, definitely I will come to your place in the next time. So now the clients also the same problem. I'm sending the application, whatever you people have, but they are thinking that why these people are not giving with respect to my requirements. Why they are giving generic resumes? That generic resume I can get it in Google anywhere. But why these people are not unique? Why these profiles are not matching? Then next time vendor is not directly coming to me because of your resumes are not quality, man. Why should I do? Why should I waste my 1 hour interview with these folks? That is what we are getting the feedback, guys. Okay, so that's why I want to give you the very high level how to build your resume, what keywords are required with respect to their JD. So and how many resumes I need to prepare, and every time I need to update the resume before submitting to the any JD. Okay, spend your time 10 minutes, 15 minutes doesn't waste your time, right? Spend your time based on the JD, try to understand each and every piece, and again control F search the keywords whatever they're asking. At least that keyword should present at more than 5 to 7 times in your resume, then only your profile will pick up. Otherwise nobody is going to pick. And also daily by 7 a.m. in the morning you need to update your resume in Indeed and LinkedIn and wherever. So whoever is doing continuously update their resumes, at least do some keyword change. Then your resume will be in the top because you are actively looking candidate. These are the tips, guys. Okay, this can help you boost your profile in very high level. So I want to take you to the next level. So let me give you that data. Okay. So today we are going to talk about the test cases. Okay. Okay, tracking test case development, testing applications, right? I told you required hundred of thousands of unit test cases, the time to execute them, the ability efficiency, manage the results. Okay, so during the test case development process, like we are writing test cases, what are the the main development process? What are the things we need to follow? Creating and managing thousands of test cases, including detailed test steps and instructions. You saw before Excel. Okay, creating test very like especially for valid and invalid test cases. Okay, creating a hierarchy, prioritize folders and organize the test cases. Okay, for new customer, all create all new customer test cases in one area. Okay, the for the delete, for edit customer, everything you need to be organized very properly. Otherwise if I'm going to review your test cases, it will be very tough for me to keep all. Okay, see your home also, how you will organize all your stuff, so that it will be easy for me to address it. Oh, this is your hall, this is your bedroom, this is your kitchen, because the way you are organizing, if you keep mixing all the stuff, nobody will come and see your stuff, right? So if you see Excel, they have written one sheet for new customer, one sheet for edit customer, so that I want to do some test case review for edit customer, then directly I will go to that area, then I will review those test cases, right? So forget about which tool we are using for creating test cases, whether it's a Jira X-ray or HPLM, whatever tool. Okay, but you should know the template, how it could be. So suppose the day one you started a company, they will give you one assignment. Okay, see we have some existing test cases, and I will give you the new requirement. Can you refer your old test cases and write your new test cases for the new module? So what you need to do first, you need to refer who are already created test cases with respect to the domain and application. After that, You need to utilize their knowledge, how they prepared. The same way you can create for the new requirements. You need to understand the requirements. You need to be very clarify each and every piece. If you are clear, then you can start writing test cases. Either you can write Excel first and show it to your lead that, okay, I need your 10 minutes time to review my test cases. Once they are okay with your test cases, then try to create in wherever tool is needed. Okay, that is what you people has to do from the day one, guys. So then only you're proactive. So don't be dependent on anybody, because now you know how to write test cases, how the test cases format, everything. So if you know all these things, okay, so suppose I'm a developer, why should I learn testing? If you know testing, if you know development, and your profile is very weighted, you're valuable. So that's why try to learn every piece. If you, strong in automation, strong in functional, strong in writing test cases, strong in even anything. See, you're increasing your knowledge. Doesn't mean that why should I learn these things? Okay, so never be like, try to fit wherever. Okay, so once you know all this, you are fit for BA role also. You are fit for Scrum roles also, because everywhere we are maintaining in a proper way. Okay, so this is for writing test cases. What are the steps we need to follow? So now the third party applications are also available in the market, which will assist you fulfill. Okay, one is called Test Tracker, App Test Manager, IBM Rational, Rational Tools. Okay, Test Director, Mercury Quality Center, now Jira X-Ray plugin. Okay, Qmetry. There are so many tools are available. So those tools are help us. Not like Excel means everything you need to copy and you need to pass it to the people. It will be very tough. But now the new tools are came into the picture. But the tool also, the format will be the same. Same, they will ask you the steps, they will ask you the all. I will show you one day how the real tool will be there. Okay, but meanwhile, first you need to understand the format of writing test cases. So once you are familiar with all this, then I will show you the real-time applications. Okay, I will take you to the my project. I will show you the test cases, how I have written for my requirements. Then you can get to know each and every piece, guys. Okay. Now, so another thing is called traceability matrix, requirement traceability matrix. Now, how do I know all my requirements are covered and all my test cases as created based on the requirements? So that is the reason we are going to be a traceability matrix. Okay, suppose I requested some dish, but how do I know whether your dish is same as whatever I requested? Because you will check the requirement and you will check the dish. Okay, okay. See, sugar is done. Good. Okay, boiled properly. Okay, good. This is part is completed. Okay, they are requested for some other pieces. Okay, done. So you need to talk each and every requirement and you need to see the outcome. So that is called requirement traceability. So whatever test cases you've written, so the scope of testing, the test cases, test scenarios, all are covered based with respect to your requirement document. Okay, for small projects, maintain a paper-based traceability, or people usually they will follow the Excel sheet. Nowadays, linking in Jira is also one of the easiest way. Link test cases, link your epics, link all your stories so that it doesn't spill out anywhere. So that I will show you in the upcoming sessions, guys. Okay, so this is the RTM. Okay, requirement traceability, your serial number, test scenario name, test scenario description, and what is your requirement. See, 3.1 is a new customer. For 3.1, your test case, somewhere you written in a one format. So you need to map your requirement. Okay, so that matching with the requirements. New customer. So new customer is you are already created in an Excel sheet. You need to put that, and here you need
Satyam,
to, yeah,
this RTM template we have explained.
explain.
Yeah, this is explained.
Okay, so this part is positive test cases, negative test case, everything is explained.
Yeah, this is all done.
Okay, then perfect. So yeah, so that is the one.
The other template you just shown, right? In the 10th slide.
This one.
What is this? Yeah, test case review checklist. Yeah, you can tell, you can go through this sheet, a particular template. This I didn't cover, I guess.
Okay, so let me give you a high level. Okay, positive test cases, negative test cases, performance, security, regression. So I told you, right, whenever any application comes, you need to think in all the perspective. You're like a one detective officer. So your scripts, your test cases should have positive, negative, everything. Okay, positive test cases means all the positive flow. Negative testing means how to break the system by entering negative values. Okay, suppose call somebody. Instead of calling, you need to try to enter some wrong numbers inside and try to call. These numbers should not go. So usually in India, 10 numbers is the minimum, right? If I try to enter 12 numbers, it's a negative test. But call should not go anywhere. Even if I enter 12 numbers, but people are able to receive my calls, means some defect. So that's a negative test I'm talking. Okay. Try to put something in the negative side. So here, usually in company, what happens, right? Once you're done with your test cases, okay, so I am your team lead. Okay, you people are working, and Anu also another team lead. Okay, so your team lead for manager role. Okay, so where I'm doing the customer lead is Anu. So whatever customer relevant test cases, everything is done by you and Anu, because Anu is your customer module lead. I'm bank manager role is my module. Okay, so you need to do the self review first with you. Okay, so whether I covered all my customer related activities, all the test cases, test scenarios, everything is covered or not. So that is very important for you to understand whatever you written your test cases. After that, you need to go for peer review. Either you can directly blog sometime with Anu. Hey Anu, I completed my test cases. Now I want to review with you, so that if I miss any requirements or any test cases or any test cases in a negative direction, so I want to update my test cases. So that is called peer review. Either you can include Anu or include entire your team. That's up to you. So try to give as much as possible your test case demo, so that people also aware that okay, she's covered everything. She covered all the test cases. That is what they will get to know. Okay. So the same way you can review for manager, and you can review, set up a call with me to review your test cases. Okay. This is the self review and peer review and SQA review. So this is a peer review documentation reviewed by SQA, who are the internal customers. Okay. But usually we'll go these two more, self review and peer review. Peer reviews with your team members and your lead, everybody will review your test cases. Okay, so this is the sum of the review can be 60 to 100% all defects, because once you given the demo, okay, see I covered all these test cases, so you can block some BA. Okay, hey BA and Satya, can you, I need your 20 minutes time to review my test cases, so that BA can help you that okay, see for this test case why you written this way, because our requirement is the manager should not change the password, but customer can change the password, but your written manager can change the password. So the minute BA can catch that point, they will give you some review comments. Okay, see, don't be like this. The remove this part. Just enter only this field. Okay, enter these characters. Try to write two more test cases for this area to cover. So that is what you will get some feedback. Okay, then you need to re-update your test cases, and again you need to provide the updated one. So okay, let me update and I can send you for the next level review. Okay. So that is what either you can send through email to review them, or else sometimes you can block their time so that we can review in a on call. So those are the, you need to be very smart. Okay. Yeah, this is the test case checklist, but just for understanding, guys, it's not like everybody will follow the same one these days. Just for the audit purpose, some customers will follow this, especially top projects like very sensitive projects, healthcare, okay, or any banking. Sometimes the lead and manager has to sign the document, okay, audit the document, who tested, who is a project manager and all. So that is comes under the IBM Rational tool. So entire my career, I just did for one healthcare application only. I did this process. So it's not a mandatory for everywhere. We need to follow the same documentation. Depends on the company rules and regulations. Okay. If they ask what is the document ID, document name, self review, who did your test case review, who did your peer review, who did everything. Okay. Sometimes for audit side, they will ask this kind of a audit report. Okay. So then we need to sign the document and we need to send it, so that this is like a sign up document. Sign up means you are giving evidence that I completed this test case, I did self review with the business team and all. So some point of time, if somebody says why your test case is not a proper way, then you have evidence that okay, see, before I have already presented a demo and you people are already reviewed my test cases, but based on your confirmation only I was proceed and tested this all my test cases. So you have a proof to protect yourself. If you don't have these kind of practices in your team, then there could be a challenge. Some point of time, if any bug comes, everybody will sit on your head. Why you are not tested this? So you should be very clear to avoid these kind of challenges in the last minute. In IT, you know, right? Everybody try to push some issues to somebody. So you have to be very clear, whatever you're testing, whatever you're writing, you should be very smart. Never be cry or anything. Okay, no, no, I know this issue has happened and all. See, those things doesn't work. You have to be very smart. So that's why try to arrange all these calls whenever you complete your test case design. Okay. So that's the documentation, guys. Okay, I hope everybody clear while writing test cases. What are the strategies we need to follow? Now we have an Excel sheet, we have modules, we have test cases handy. So everything is ready. Only thing is you need to focus on your things, guys. Clear? Day 1, day 2, day 3, everything is ready now. Okay. So Anu, so from Monday, from tomorrow class, Anu, take this, okay? Demo Guru 99 V1, okay? And try to execute test cases one by one. So if you find out any defects, go to bugs, okay? Here, there are already reported some defects as part of testing of this project. So see, these are the defects. Okay, somebody has reported the bugs. Okay, what is the priority? What is the severity? Try to open these bugs and see in the version 1. Okay, whatever you're talking in the application. So see, test execution is in version 1. See, this is the build number 1. V1 means version 1. Okay, after bugs, a developer fixed the another one and they have provided the version 2 build. So version 2 build, whatever they fixed some issues, you can use the same credential, log into the V2 and try to create a customer and all, and you can validate the application. So that is what we need to execute each and every test case and say pass or fail. So you guys can create your test cases. Once you are into the application, new customer, you need to pass each and every test cases. Guys, again, I'm telling you, see, our job is to boost, to share knowledge. Okay, it's not our job that okay whether you are how much learning from your side is your responsibility. Okay, we are also struggle like you to learn so many things. It's not like one day where we got all the knowledge. Okay, the more practice you do, the more knowledge you will gain. It's not doing for me or Anu or Mahesh, right? It's your career. You need to decide your career where you want to be. If you want a best career, you need to do all these practices. If you don't want, it's okay. We don't want to force you in that level, but we are trying to help you to get more knowledge, because you have a knowledge, you can fit into the anywhere. So try to effort. Okay, whatever you're spending 1 hour, spend another 2 hours to do all these activities, because now you know the pattern, how to go. You have the materials, you know the procedure, how to go, and we have a very in-house people, everybody handy. So take everybody help and try to fit into all these areas. Okay, creating test cases, writing test cases. I know sometimes it may give you some extra load burden and lot of distractions will come. Okay, but try to eliminate all this, try to focus. So whatever you're spending this 1 month and 2 months, this is going to decide entire your life, guys. Okay, see, I'm not asking other people to join every day, because I know everybody has different challenges. So some people refer the recording sessions, everything. But even we are already uh, we are in a good shape, but why we are spending extra time for helping you people means, no, you people also learn the same knowledge whatever we have. So our knowledge is not a 1 day effort, right? We did lot of practices, we sacrificed many things. So that's why we are into the level now that we are explaining you people that okay, so once you get a good package salary, you are, see, earning very decent amount, you forget all your effort whatever you did so far. But until unless you are not putting any effort, your result may not come, guys. So luck doesn't work in everywhere. Okay, don't compare with anybody that okay, see, some person doesn't know anything, but they are fitting in IT. But some point of time, those people will face lot of challenges, guys. I know mentally they are very struggle. I see many people who are already placed without knowledge. Every day, the minute they log in into the application, they will get lot of stress inside. Till 5 p.m., 6 p.m., they will be very stressful, because they don't know who is going to ping him and what. Can you share your screen and show me what test case you designed? I want to review your test cases. I have some time. Can you come and show me your test cases? Do you depend on the proxy? No, right? It's very tough for us to depend on somebody. So instead of taking all this that stress level in the whole life, better we can skip everything. Put all your effort now. You have pretty much you have covered the test cases, test case design requirements, everything you have. So you are onboarded into the project. Okay, So I will try to fit you as much as possible. So my the next upcoming sessions are the real time. Okay, from the real side, how the customer is going to expect. The day one you started a company, how are you going to? So we are trying to complete all the theory part as much as possible. I don't want to go theory as much as possible. I want to give you the see almost we completed everything. So from next level onwards, I requested Mahesh to create a framework. So the framework also created in a high level. So you should have a ability to create a framework from the scratch, and you need to write all your test cases for all these Guru 9 applications. You can able to automate all our test cases to automation. So now you are getting functional and automation in your hand. So anytime if somebody asks, you written the code, you know each and every piece. Why you are not forgetting A, B, C, D, E, F, G? Tell me anybody. Because your daily life, you are utilizing all these alphabets in your day to life, right? See, you may tell to your son that, oh, why you are not learning ABCD. So you know the importance of ABCD. The same way now, whatever we are learning, everything is in the same format, guys. So now you need to practice on the day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, what is going on. Okay, what test cases, how the test cases written for each module. Let me write it. I don't want to take copy paste. I'm not that guy. So let me write my own way. Let me write in another Excel sheet, and I can refer the existing test cases, so that you have a reference document. You can start creating the new document. Anyhow, I have a test cases, let me copy and paste it. It's okay, I'm done with my task. So no, don't do that. Try to put as much as effort. So the people who do more hard work, I see a lot of people who got succeed, guys. Okay, don't be lazy, especially these days are very important. And automation also, put 60%, 70% effort in the automation, guys. If you don't know, try to learn something in the automation. Even I'm trying to post some of the YouTube videos which are very good in the market. I'm going to post those frameworks as well, like Cypress side or any Cucumber BDD. Okay, these things. Any after Mahesh done with his framework structure. So once Mahesh create one framework and you people can create one framework with all your coding, you can able to create any type of framework because you know the structure how framework, what files are sitting in SRC folder, what test data is sitting, how the Maven is, how Git is working. If you know all these controls, any framework is easy for us. There's no harm to learn the new framework because you know the process, you know the procedure, how to do this. Okay, that is what I want to help you people. Okay, you are not learning for because of me. You are not learning for me. You are learning for yourself, for your career, for entire your life. You are going to get more pay in future. Do you think I'm going to get benefit or you are going to get benefit? Right? So even I'm happy and Anu and Mahesh, everybody happy because our effort is not wasted. So you people are at least got into the very good level, and we do our level beyond my level. I want to put your things. Okay. Even so, probably tomorrow Anu will take you to the executing all these test cases and try to grab the version 2, version 3 in real time. Also, you will get a Kia build 1, Kia build 2. After defect fix, you need to retest your defect and you need to close the defect. So these practices you need to do from tomorrow. Okay. So today you need to understand the test cases and take your time. From Monday you want to start execution. I'm good with that. We can spend your time to understand the test cases, guys. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Daily boost yourself in the morning. Okay. See where I am, what I learned from day one to day today. Put it in your paper, put it in the board. What I learned, where I am. If you don't have job, guys, nobody will care you, including your family members also. Nobody will see your no, my guy is wasted because he's not going to do anything. He's not a so simply they will put you some pressure on you. So why should you create a trouble on that? I'm seeing lot of people every day they're calling. Do you have any openings? Do you have any openings? I'm asking reverse. Do you have knowledge? Do you have knowledge? Nobody's responding for the answer, but everybody need job. But I'm asking the same question. Do you have knowledge? Do you have knowledge? No. I can take somebody help. If somebody help, the why companies will come to you, man. It's not the way you should be. You should be 90%. You should be strong. 10% take somebody help. That is acceptable. I'm okay to do that. But these people doesn't have that. Okay. Do you have opening? Do you have opening? Do you have opening? But they don't have any knowledge on the particular one. How I can? We can't put everybody into the same category. That's why I'm helping guys. Say, I think somebody messaged. Okay, yeah, Anu, you can leave, Anu. Yeah, I think we can stop. So, any questions, guys? Now we have another 2 minutes. So now you guys are clear, test cases side?
When we should prepare the test cases, like which day? Like,
Anytime, it's up to you. It's your day to start your, because now you have everything in your hand, right? Requirements are ready, template is ready, and there are similar test cases are already ready.
yes.
Okay, you can start writing test cases.
Yeah.
Once you know that writing test cases, you can start writing any type of test cases. Suma, can you create one more session, Suma? Okay, guys, again, can you rejoin the call? What is? Tell me, Mohini.
What is a web-based three-tier software platform?
3 tier.
Tier. T-I-R-E. T-I-R-E.
Okay, okay, 3 tier. Okay, okay.
Uh,
So 3 tier is basically it's an MV, like we have a model view controller. Okay, request, server, response. That is called 3 tier. I mean, okay, I'll give you the high level. See, front end testing, back end testing, and also database testing. So these 3 layers will come into the 3 tier. So actually in automation, how the application works, right? Okay, suppose any request, suppose I have application. This is my application. Okay, you are the user. Okay, here is my server. Okay, this is the platform inside. Okay, so this is user. Okay, so this is my example. Okay, you ordered some item in Amazon. Suppose you ordered some phone. Okay, so where are you going to order this? Amazon site, right? Example. Okay, you ordered a phone through Amazon. You are getting my point? So this Amazon order will go to the backend team, right? Okay, clear? So you requested a phone, the first call like this. Okay, the first like this, like this. Okay, so you phone ordered in Amazon through some site. Okay, so this call will go to the data processing, so order process. So after that, first you will get a response. Okay, your order is accepted. So you will get a notification that your order is accepted. Okay, again, you will ask one more request. So suppose you want to change some billing data. You requested. Again, that billing data will go to Amazon, from Amazon to backend. So this is a server. The server will process. Okay. Then the server will, once your order is ready, they will dispatch. So suppose take an example. This is our India Post or Canada Post. You are sending some parcel. Okay. You are the customer, but you need some in between, some channel to send your parcel to the these people, right? So then only you will get acknowledgement. Okay. So now I'm sending one parcel to the Canada Post. So these people, this is my request. So these people take you to the backend data. So here they will sort out which address your item should go and everything. They will send it to the respective. After that, they will give you one response. Okay, your order is completed. We delivered. Then you will get a response. So for every request, there is a response. The minute you are logging to the application, so I can show you the. So 3 tier testing is basically front end testing, back end testing, and where is okay, model view controller we talk it as. Okay, model view controller. Okay, see your client, so database here. So the first request will go to the controller. The controller will send to the create a request in the view. So this will go to the model. Like example, I requested one phone. So phone will go to the controller. Controller will create one case. This case will go to the hub. Hub process will do. Then after that, these people will create a database data. So then once these people are going to give your phone, again, they will this phone will come from manufacturer to the hub model. From there, you will get a data to the these people. So then again, it will reach to the customer. The same way in software also, it works in a process. Like example, so suppose I want to do one, I'll give you one real-time application. Okay. See, suppose I have a one Java developer position in my company, right? So Java developer, location and all. So you're the customer, you just landed into the H&SS portal, right guys? So now you want to apply this job, apply now. So you're in front end now, right? You're in front end. So this is a front end application. You don't know what technology we developed inside, right? It's a Java, Python, whatever we are calling. You don't know. Let me. So always try to. I'm going to explain in a. So the minute you inspect this, go to here, inspect. Okay, go to your network. Okay. So now let me take another. This way. Now I'm taking the Java developer position. See, for Java developer, see how many calls are going to the server. You guys can able to see each request. Your request is gone to the bootstrap application, gone, jQuery, everything, and it took this many hours to execute your request. So now this is done. Okay, I like everything. Now I'm clicking on the apply now. This is the front end. See, for apply now, my call is going to be a different. See, I can see each and every piece how my call is going to be. Okay, I can check how the connections are going on, how each media is going. Every request is going to the server now. Right now, you are in the front end. The whatever you're testing, let me re-inspect again. So this is very good practice, guys. If you know the real time how to capture each and every element in the project side, you are very good in the inspecting. Okay. If you know all these techniques, it will be more helpful for you. So now I can log into my database. Okay. I will show you. Suma, can you stop the net recording, Suma? Guys, I'm showing.